The flood destroyed the giants, but the story wasn't over. A new world began, and humanity started again. Noah's descendants spread across the earth. From them came the first nations of the ancient world. But mankind's ambition began to grow again. They tried to build a tower to reach heaven. So the nations were divided and scattered. But something strange appeared again in the ancient world.
Giants were seen once more. Many believe the Nephilim returned.
Their legends appear in cultures around the world.
And some say their story is not finished.